Hi guys, what's up? We're painting rocks today. And right now I'm painting mine. I'm a little dirty, but it's fine. So after this, our video is gonna be done, okay? And my brother Alex is painting next too.
Say hi, Alex.
Rocks.
Cool. Where do we get the rocks from? From where?
From the Christian.
Nice. And I got some from the backyard too, right?
Yeah, we are gonna put them in the front in the grass.
Okay. And what colors do you have? Tell me about the colors that you're painting.
I mixed it yellow and red together, and it's turning
Orange.
purple.
Orange. Yeah. And if you do red and blue together, you get what color?
Red.
Purple. And if you do blue and yellow together, you get my favorite
guys,
color.
I have a few more rocks to go. Look at this big rock.
Whoa, look at that big rock.
It's so heavy, I think I'll run out of colors. But now if I use the yellow, yellow is not.
Ooh, that looks good. Look at you go.
I'm just going up and down.
Yeah. Let's look at Alex. He's got some cool rocks too. Nice.
I'm just fixing these colors.
Yeah. That looks good.
Then we'll go. What color am I getting? I mixed it all three colors, guys. What do you think color I was getting?
Yeah, I see a little bit of green in there.
Yeah.
I see some orange in there. I see some yellow, some blue. I see kind of like an earthy, natural kind of color. Looks awesome. Let's see what Alex is doing.
I mixed it.
Yeah, you're mixing it? It looks good.
It's almost dark green.
Yeah. So you got a red one there, you got a blue one there, and
Mama.
then this one's kind of a dark green color, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. And Alex has got a couple of rainbow rocks. See red, yellow, green, blue. He's doing a good job mixing them together.
And I'm just squirting them.
Yeah.
So guys,
Yep.
after when I finish all these rocks, I'll be done and I'll start finishing rocks. Then we'll see you later. Well, I'm not gonna hang up on you right now.
Okay.
But
All right.
dog, dog, dog.
Silly boy.